Everybody, it's Friday afternoon when I'm recording this. Looking forward to a great weekend. Hope you are too. So just a couple of quick things for you. Firstly, congratulations to Claire Preston. Claire's just upgraded from a break free to a full distributor, so well done, Claire. And also congratulations to Michelle Gamble over in Ireland. Michelle has just achieved her Rapid Start bonus 3. So she gets another 25 free catalogues. So well done, Michelle. That's going really well over there. I've got a welcome to a new team member. Joanne Goldsmith has just joined from Portsmouth. So welcome to the team, Joanne. Hope things go well for you. And okay, a couple of little things just to finish off. Firstly, quick reminder, if you've got any questions at all about how Clean Easy works, or you kind of want to have a review of things you might have been through in the past, don't forget to have a look at our information website. If you go to www.freshstartgroup.info, then there's a website there with loads of useful bits and bobs in there that can help you out. So feel free to have a look in there at any time. And finally, just check your emails. I just sent out the weekly team bulletin, which has just got all of the YouTube links to the training from Bristol last weekend. Fantastic stuff in there. Each one's only kind of quarter of an hour, 20 minutes, so kind of really kind of good short nuggets that you can kind of hook into and kind of improve your knowledge. One of my favourite sayings from Jim Rohn is work harder on yourself than you do on your job. So if you can find little kind of quarter of an hour pockets here and there to watch those, you'll really benefit from that. So that's it. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you all next week. Bye for now.